Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Realme GT 7 Pro. First, a little info about the Realme GT 7 Pro. It was released on November 4th, 2024 and is the latest flagship of Realme's with cutting edge specs, premium build and stuff like that. So let's get on with it. First, let's talk about the design and build, weighing it at just 222.8 grams, offering solid yet premium feel. For materials, it has a glass front, more specifically Gorilla Glass i7 or 7i, aluminum frame and glass back, giving it durable and yet sleek design. It has IP69 water and dust resistant, protecting against water up to 2 meters, and available in Mars Orange, Galaxy Grey and White. Next up, display. It has a LTPO AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. It's also 6.78 inches and 1440p, delivering sharp and very crisp visuals. For brightness, it's 6500 nits maximum. For performance, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, delivering top tier performance, and also variants include 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage to 1TB of storage. For software, it runs on Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0. For camera, the main is a 50 megapixel wide. The next camera is a 50 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a last camera is a 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. And the selfie camera is a 16 megapixel wide angle with panoramic support and 1080p video recording. For battery and charging, it has a battery capacity of 6500 mAh and a charging of 120 watt wired charging, and can achieve a full charge in just 37 minutes. Connectivity and features. For network, it supports 5G, ensuring fast internet speeds. Other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C, and an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scan with stereo speakers with excellent sound quality but no headphone jack. And there you have it guys, that's the in-depth review of the Realme GT 7 Pro. It's a flagship level smartphone with new and exciting features. So I hope you enjoyed and watched till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button, and see you next time.